Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to knit this beautiful cat in garter stitch. This is my back side. It's not messy. Look at this, it's very clear, and I am exactly not going to do this cat. I am going to do this little triangle. It's garter stitch. I am using everything in garter stitch in Intarsia method in garter stitch. Okay, then let's begin. I am going to start with Intarsia method. Intarsia knitting in garter stitch. I show you how to change the color in Intarsia method, and I am following this chart. And first I am going to I did some garter stitch here. Now I am going to start my pattern. For this pattern I am going to knit 3 stitches again, and now I am going to start my other color. I'm not doing any different thing. I need little loop and put it, and I put my needle here, and I put my yarn, and I am knit again, and I need 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 stitches. 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now I'm not going to follow my first yarn. I am going to follow my we need to keep very tidy this side. Okay, now I am going to follow another yarn, this color. Just that put like this, just as before, and I am going to knitting. 2 3. This is my right side. I am going to do my wrong side. I am going to do just change these things. It's easy to do, otherwise it's going to tangle. And I am knitting as normal again. 3 stitch, 1 2 3, and I'm going to this one I'm take it up, and I'm going to knit again. See, it's over my working yarn. I am going to knit again 5 stitches. I'm not going to the second line. I'm just follow the first line still. 2 3 4 5 6 7, and now I am going to change my color again with this one. I am going to put this one here, and my other color little tangle, and I am going to take this one and go over it. See, go over it again. I'm going to do knit 3 stitches again. 2 3. Okay, and pull these threads. I can secure later, and I'm going to turn turn again. Okay, it's look like this, and now I tidy up again because otherwise it's going to tangle. I'm working this yarn now, this side, this yarn. Now I'm going to the second row. This row, it's have 1 2 3 4 5 stitches I want to go, and now I'm going to do knit normally again. 1 2 3 4. I want one more because I am going to knit 3. Now I take this yarn and I'm going to do knit 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Now I want this blue yarn again. I take under it. We need little bobbin like this. Okay, now I need my blue yarn. 1 2 3 4 like this, and I need to pull this again. I am not going to change row. I am going to knit again same row. One, 2 3 4. I take my yarn front, and I need my orange yarn because I am going to work with my orange yarn. Sorry, and I go over it. See, it's come here, and this one is go over it, and now I am going to knit 5 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5. Now I need to go to this yarn, this color, same color, but it's this separate yarn. And now I want to take this one. Sorry, take this one here, and I need to take blue color front, sorry, back, and I'm going to knit again. 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is my back side. Okay, this is my front side. We always remember we are not tangling our yarns. I always tidy up your yarns. It's not going to tangle. I did actually 4 rows. Now I am in 5th row. 5th row I am going to do 3 orange color, 3 things, and I am starting again. Okay, I am not tangling my threads, and I am going to start row 5. 1 2. I need 3 orange stitches now. I reduce 1 stitch, and I take my orange thread, and I am going to do 3 stitches. 1 2 3. And now I am change to not this one, I am changed to this side one. This side, you can see, is this side. I think you can see properly, and this is the first one. Yeah, this is the first one. First I did here to here, and after that it's orange color, and now this side I'm changing this color now, and I'm going to do, I put this one, sorry, this one over it, and I take this like this under my orange color, and I'm going to knit all the way down. I'm still in row 5, and now I am going to do row 6. I'm change the side, and I need to start with my, I'm going to untangle first. I need to start with this one. I'm not doing anything, I'm just go this side. 2, 3, 4, 5, and I take this one inside, front. This thread go front, and my orange color go back. If you have little small amount, it's easy to do. 1, 2, 3. Now I need to change color again. This side come front, and my this side, this one go back. Okay, this is my front side, this is my right side. And now I am going to do number 7, 7th row. 7th row, I need one orange color. Start with this side. 3, 4, 5, and I need one orange, and so I'm going to blue, and then I am going to knit with my orange color. This is my orange color. 1, and again I am going to go this side. Sorry, this is this side. This one, you can see this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I am not finished yet. I have to go another row, row 8. I'm turn my work, and I tidy up little bit my stitches, threads. See, it's not tangle, and I am going to do my row 8. It's the last row. Okay, I am take my yarn in front and my orange yarn back again, and knit 1, and again my orange yarn back, and my work in second yarn is front. Now I finish my knitting color works, and I'm going to carry on this yarn. Therefore I'm going to cut my threads. I don't need these threads anymore. I cut those threads, take it off, and I'm carry on with this yarn because I finish my Tunisian knitting for this, and I'm going to carry on my blue yarn. Go this side. I'm going few more rows with my blue color, and I meet again. I finished this. Look at this, the front side, and I need to show you the back side. It's very important side, and when you see these ones, you can use the tapestry needle and you can hide like this. Go through these smiley bumps. And cut it down. Look at this. When you finish, well, look at this back side. It's not tangle anything, and it's very tidy. And this side, this is the front side. This side is look beautiful. I like this method because when we do a fair isle method, it's have little tangling things, and this method is very beautiful backside as well. And I hope you enjoy my video. If you have anything to ask or anything to say, please comment my comment section. See you again with another beautiful pattern. Bye bye.